Okay. Okay, I think that is working. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Oh, do I need scissors to open this? Oh, oopsie. I pressed the wrong button. I don't know. Where did you land? Yes. I have so many pets who are wanting something from me. Oh, this is for your business convention? Ow. Well, that's exciting. Are you can you hear my cat? One of my cats is yelling at my dog right now. He's very displeased by her. But I'm trying to build this candy vending machine because my goal is to be able to put dog treats inside of it for it to like drop down. So I am very excited for this. Okay. So let's see. Oh, okay, so this is like the top of it. Hello, hello. Oh. I don't have like YouTube Premium, so oh, my dog always does this. Every time I get up, she like gets on my seat. And I have to like, oh, I'm gonna sit on you. And then she'll get off. Okay, why don't you go on your seat? She literally has an option right here to sit. No, not on me, not me. Over here. Over here. Okay. Yeah, you just sit there. You just sit there. I'm literally building this thing for you. So you have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Okay? There's some eye crusties. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. She was just napping earlier, so I was hoping she was just gonna like continue napping right. Oh, my other cat. There you go. He's coming up. Yeah, I told you you should have took that seat before your brother went to go grab it. I have to wait for him to decide where he wants to sit. Okay, he left. He's like, there's too many things going on. My mic isn't too loud, right? Okay, I'm gonna give her another second or two of cuddle time before I put her down so that I can work on this candy vending machine. Yes, to dispense treats for you. Okay, I'll put you down now, okay? Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, down you go. Down. Just down. Okay. Yeah, this can get to 2 feet tall. It says giant. And so it's like taller than her. It'll be taller than her. This will be really fun. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see. 70 pieces. Let's see. Wow, ow. Ooh. There's like a lot of words back here. Okay. With this engineering kit, you can build and experiment with your own toy vending machine. First, follow the step-by-step instructions to assemble the machine. Then test and configure. And get it working perfectly. Okay, yeah. Load your vending machine with the included soda bottle, hard candies, and other small... Ow. Ow. Owie. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you down, girl. Insert some coins and have fun watching them get sorted. Get sorted. Let's find you a toy so that you can buy it on, okay? Okay. I don't want to put you in air jail. Okay. Where is your toy? Here. She has like a soccer ball. You can play with your soccer ball, okay? You just want so much attention. Oh. Okay. Except when I try putting her down, she just looked like Carmen. No, don't do that. Ooh. Ooh. Stop doing that, you weirdo. She won't let me put her down. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Are you calm now? Are you chilled? Okay, what else? Okay, this awesome vending machine has 4 main interactive segments. First, you insert a coin to a slot and turn the knob to sort it. Okay. Okay, so this will explore lessons in physics, I know, math, and mechanical engineering. All right. Let's get this started. Let's take this. Please. I'm trying to get this finished as fast as I can. I'll make sure no pieces fall out. Oh, okay, so these are all the candies it comes with, like the bottle candies. These look like hard candies. I wonder if they taste good. I'll try it next time. Please. Please get off of me. She loves chewing cardboard too. So, oh my goodness. Here, stay up here, please. Come here. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay, you stay there, okay? You stay there, okay? Yeah. You stay right there. You stay right there. Okay. Oh no. Please. This is why I'm not able to get anything done when she's home. Okay. Oh! That was loud. So many pieces. Please don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't. Okay. Oh. Okay. Those are all the pieces. I gotta keep this box away from her though, or she'll chew it. We cannot have you chewing it. We cannot have you chewing it. So, should I like just leave it right here? Oh no, that's like covering. Okay, I'll leave it on the side. Ow! Ugh! Yeah! Okay. Where's your ball? I have to like mix in throwing this thing, so. Uh-oh. I just like hit something. There's some stickers and the instruction manual. There's like an assembly video too, but I don't really like watching those because I'm like, I don't follow videos that well. Okay. Should I feel like I should check to make sure all the pieces are there, but no, we're just gonna go for it. What? You must carefully cut the plastic parts out of their frames with diagonal cutting pliers. I don't have that. Okay, assemble everything in order. Don't jump ahead, okay? Let me see it. Hopefully scissors will, not with that attitude. I'll figure it out. Okay. There's a bell, there's a coin slot. Okay, so apparently this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay. Ready, let's get building. All right. I don't know if I have enough space for this. Okay. Because it's a STEM thing. So it's supposed to help my brains too. That's how you get smarter, okay? Oh. Okay. Okay. I think this is the bottom. Yes. So this is P1. Insert P12s into the P1. Okay, I have to find the P12s. P12. Is the P12 supposed to look gray? Oh! I find the P12s. Okay, P12s. I'm hopeful. I'm gonna just put this in here. I love building stuff. There's one. Except IKEA furniture. Because those ones are pretty big. And they like can fall on my toes. Speaking of which, I like scraped off the nail polish off my toe last night. Because I opened the, I closed the, my fridge door on my toe and it hurt really bad. Yeah, it was really painful. Okay, P14. Yeah, it was very, very painful. P14. Look like those spinny things. Are these the P14s? Apparently there are 4 P14s. In here? Oh. Yeah. The P14s are in here. I will have to drop her off at the dog sitters in a bit. She's licking my thigh. How do I, what? Oh no! That's the worst. This is so painful. Okay, how do I find out what time it is? So that. Okay, probably do this for another 30 minutes? Let's see how far I can get in 30 minutes. If not, we will have to continue this. Because I must get this built. Probably not today, but like... Oh my gosh. Girl. Girl, why don't you just sit in your appropriate seat? Please. Okay. Where did I put this? Oh, yummy. Okay, I have one P14, two P14s, three P14s. If it's not her, it's like her brother, my other cat, not the black one. He's sitting on my computer chair, but the gray one. He's sitting in my lap earlier too. Okay, M4. Okay. I think they just snap in right there. So it looks like it's a rotating. Uh-huh. Okay. I see. Oh! Okay. We're getting somewhere. She's so persistent. You won't eat anything, right? Don't eat. Arr, arr. No. 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 My biggest concern once I do build this though is that she'll just bite it. Oh. Okay. The P14s have been assembled. What's next? Okay. So this is the... I have to put a spring into the P15. Oh my god! Ah! Are you okay? Yeah, okay, you're okay. Yeah, I just want to make sure you're okay. See, this is why you have to sit in your seat. This is why this is only a one-person only seat. Okay? Oh, okay, go back to your seat. One person only. One person only! There's rules. There's rules in this household. I make the rules. Please. Obey the rules. Why? No! You're breaking the rules! Anarchy. It's a lawless town out here. Lawless! Okay, sit back down. Ow! Girl, I have to get the P15s. And I need to get the P17 and the P15. Don't you understand? If I don't do this, who will? Will you put the P17s in the P15s? Okay. I found the P17. I believe the P... Okay, something that she gets really excited about too is when I go, Oni-chan! Oni-chan! So if she's like on the other side of the room and then I scream that or like shout that, she'll come running. Okay. Oh. This is gonna take multiple days to build at this rate. Okay, let me get your soccer ball. Oh my god. Rawr. Rawr, 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 rawr. Okay. I just have to get good at multitasking. Okay, I have the P15s. Oh, this is 4 of them as well. I got hair. I think I got either hair or fur in my gum. Okay. I always have like so much fur all over my body, like on my shirts. A bunch of cat and dog furs. Okay, I have 4 of those. And now there should be 4 of these. Okay. Let's see, how does it go in? What does this look like? So you put the spring here, put this in, push and hold the prize door button P15 all the way in while you install P13 in the back of your machine. P13? What the heck is P13? Okay. Oh, I'm gonna put this down for a second. P13. I was also looking into those wooden puzzle music boxes because those look super cool, but then it says like it takes like 5 hours to assemble. I don't know if I can do that. Okay. It's how people like really get into. Oh, how do you do this? I don't know if I can commit to that. I have to build up my building skills, okay? Because I'm not that confident in like building those things yet. Yeah, it's like starting off with like 100-piece puzzle and then like working your way up to like the 1,000-piece, you know? Okay. So it looks like I push and hold the prize door button all the way in while you install P13 in the back. How does one install P13? Pay attention to the orientation of P13. So P13 must go like this. Did it do it? Did it happen? Okay. Oh, I think so. Oh, okay. She tired herself out, so she's sleeping on the ground next to my feet now. It's about time. Okay. Woo! Yeah! There's one. And then this one is 2. Push it all the way in so that I can install the back door. Okay. Oh, come on, back door. Oh, there you go. 2 doors. 2 doors down. Oh, it's all jammed. What the heck? Okay. Woo! another piece. Does it matter which way I put it? Uh-oh. Maybe it does. Oh, I gotta make sure I didn't put these ones in. Okay, no. These all look right. There we go. I'm like getting sweaty just building this. That and the weather has been really humid where I'm at, and so I get really sticky. There's that. And then the last door. Nice. Wow, it's so like quiet and peaceful now that she's no longer a menace. Okay. I got those doors on. Now push and hold the prize door button all the way when you install P16 in the back. Okay. This way. How? Oh, just like that? No, something's off. How do I do this? I think it latches on somewhere. There's a latch on right there. Or not? Oh, okay. I guess so. I guess it's just like this. This feels not right though. Does it go in even more? I guess not. Okay. I think this will be the last step that I'll do for today. Just because I have to get her to her dog sitter. And then we can continue this another time. Okay. I'm excited too. It's so far not too complicated, so I like that. I'm glad it's the easy one that I started out with, but this is what I have so far. Okay. And we will do this again soon so that I can, that is true. I'm gonna use scissors. So I don't think pliers kind of scare me. Unless there, maybe, I wonder if there's like a arts and crafts, like a cute pliers that don't look like too industrial and intense. I'll try that. But I'm gonna put the rest of the pieces in the box again so I don't lose it. I do have like a button. Can I'm gonna show all the things I do have. I always do this where I ask like if I can show something, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So pieces are back in the box for now. Let's close this up. Okay. I'll continue working on that. But I also got these few things because I just thought they were pretty neat. And because I needed to find things to do indoors because it's so hot outside. And the UV is way too high, so nope. So I got this gumball machine maker. So hopefully, I was hoping it'd be like similar to this, where I can put dog treats in. And it does like all the cool things. I love winter time though, especially, well, I love it if it's snowy, but I also like all the holiday festivities. But okay, this one too. This one looks pretty sick. Okay. Okay, don't fall out of your seats now. But this one is a roller coaster engineering, and then that makes sense. And there's like so many different ways to build these roller coasters. So this one has a lot of pieces. This one will be for later. And then what else? Okay, I'll show you 2 more things and then I will wrap this up. Okay, I got this I was curious about circuits as well. So I got this nightlight circuit thing where I figure out how to connect the circuit board together. So we'll see how that works. And then, okay, last thing is this gravity maze game. Just because I always watch those like videos of like people dropping marbles with dominoes and all that stuff, and those always look so satisfying. So I wanted to see how it would feel like doing this. So I know they feel a little nerdy, but but I'm having fun. So for us to wrap up. What do you think? She has no thoughts now. She's tired and has no thoughts. Yeah, are you tired now? Wow, where did all your energy go? What is this? You have stuff in your fur. I gotta give her a bath. But yeah, so that is what I'm gonna be doing this summer. Please don't roll off. Just sit back normally. To stay cool and to build stuff. So I will continue doing the building streams on here. But thank you for spending some time with me, and hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye. Wrapping this up.